Yes, I will adapt the platforms of Cayetano because we run parallel. Yung iba naman sa kanya, ibang issues of governance. Itong akin naman, I'm sure that he would not want to tinker with itong law and order, itong criminality, drugs. Kasi madugo talaga yan.
Pero sir, you support the Mindanao Railway, the CCT with jobs, livelihood.
Dapat ang unang Mindanao Railway talaga. Kasi ang Mindanao Railway, mas kailangan natin. We must have a train, a cargo train that's all over Mindanao. Mindanao does not suffer the ravages of typhoons. Mindanao enjoys a fertile climate. Diyan tayo kukuha because that is our bread basket sa ating bayan.
Sir,
and we have to develop, and in order to, even in the products, farm to market routes improve. If you can have the train, mas madali. It takes only a lot of space and it is eternally running around.
Sir, how about yung poverty alleviation platform niyo? What exactly?
Yan ang muna muna ako dyan because sabi ko nga, I'm toying with the idea of continuing this ano yung
CCT, conditional cash
paano cash transfer. There will be a reduced income for government since I will do away with taxes 20,000 below. I will increase the salaries of the soldiers and the police because I cannot have an efficient governance kung mga to hindi gumagalaw. And they will be the ones who will clean the country.
So sir, may opportunity cost yan kasi if you spend money on that, you will undoubtedly spend less on other things. So what's the lowest priority?
I'll cut on infrastructure except the one that's needed for mobility of the people here in Metro Manila.
So example sir, ano po yung infrastructure that you will prioritize?
Sa pipeline nila, yung mga dam, huwag na muna. Yung mga bagong highways, huwag na muna. Maybe we can talk of that year after next.